Hi guys, Dr. Doug Graham here. I just want to tell you a bit more about my educational program that I'm going to be doing for Let's Cook Raw once a month for the entire year of 2021. How exciting is that? I mean, we're going to talk about nutrition. We're going to talk about food and all the issues that go into that storage and, obtaining it and everything else. Prep, we're going to go into the culinary skills once a month for a full hour. I give you everything I know about food and nutrition and make it all relevant to the low fat, raw vegan diet. So, February 7th will be the first presentation, part one. Part one is what I call Nutrition 101, part A. And part A is going to look at the three macronutrients protein, fat, and carbohydrates. And we'll look at everything from where in the body do we find those things? How are they used? How are these nutrients used? What happens if you get too much or too little? What is their function in the body? Where do we find them in nature? Where do we find them in our diet? What does various processing do to it? Is heat affect it? Does it matter? We'll go through all the different aspects so that you can have a full understanding of protein, fat, and carbohydrate at the end of 1 hour. It's pretty remarkable, really. It's a lot to cover, but I know you're ready for it, and I'm certainly ready to give it to you. So be there on February 7th for part one, and let's see you on Let's Cook Raw.